Hello, hello.
Magandang araw.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Happy Friday the 13th.
O yun, happy weekend na
diba?
rin.
Happy
Bukas.
weekend. Natatawa ako kanina dun sa kasama ko. Sabing ganun Ma'am, Friday the 13th pala ngayon. Sana maswerte tayo. Sabi niya ganun.
Maswerte daw ang Friday the 13th.
Hindi, may mga iba kasing tao, pagka Friday the 13th is
Kabaliktaran naman.
kabaliktaran sa kanila yon.
Oh.
But anyway, wala naman kasi ding malas at swerte. It depends on...
Nasa sa'yo yan.
Oo, nasa sa atin yan on how are we going to make our day. Diba? So, for today, natapos na naman po ang isang linggo. And ngayon, we will be having a recap again para ma-refresh tayo ulit. Diba? Kasi constant reminder is a good way for us to be reminded din. Diba? Para, dito, kumbaga, hindi tayo saliwa, yung parang lumihis, diba? Lumihis ng landas. So, we talk about the importance of spending time outdoors for mental health, diba? Like, a simple going out, dyan sa bahay natin, to breathe fresh air, o di kaya to see other people, it really gives a toll on our mental health. Like, yung parang nagbibigay ng clarity sa ating minds, di ba? Especially when you are stressed or you are anxious. So, kailangan natin na para maiba naman yung maiba naman yung ating environment.
Tama.
And then, we also talk about the art of letting go, di ba? Why it's important not to hold grudges. Kasi, katulad nga nung nasabi namin sa topic na ito, magpapasko na, di ba? So, hindi lang dapat sa tuwing Pasko or magbabagong taon, natin siya like bibigyan ng pansin or ng tuon. Like, if you have been holding grudges for such a long time, it leaves you the burden, 'di ba? Like, kumbaga, it will cause you to to become stagnant in everything you do, in every decisions you will make. So, kumbaga siya yung nagiging pabigat sa atin sa buhay actually.
Kaya hindi tayo makausad.
Oo, kaya hindi tayo makausad. Kasi, kumbaga, we need to practice to let it go. Although, we know it's hard, it's a human nature to hold grudges. But then, if we practice to let it go, siguro may mga ibang pagkakataon na or may mga circumstances na it's very hard to to let go of that grudge, but at least give some time, give yourself some time, give the yung panahon, a time to heal, para nang sa ganon it will be easier for you to let go. 'Di ba? Kasi sabi nga nila when you let go, parang you're giving yourself a chance to grow.
Tama naman. Naisip ko lang yung kasama ko sa trabaho. Project manager din siya. Sabi niya kasi, yung project manager na sinundan ko, parang ang nangyari, naging jack of all trades na siya. Project manager na siya, SME pa siya pa yung nagde-develop. Kasi nga naman, wala namang ibang aasahan. So, yung iba kasing members ng dun sa within IT, hindi sila ganun responsible enough or they don't take ownership. Yan sabi niya, kinakantahan niya, let it go, let it go. Kasi nga, the more na ginagawa mo yung mga bagay na yun beyond your task, sabi niya, the more na natatabunan ka. And hanggang sa hindi mo na talaga magampanan yung main task mo o yung main role mo as a project manager. So, in the end, ang nangyari, nag-resign siya, umalis siya, lumipat siya ng ibang company. So, yun lang. Kaya kinukwento lang niya sa akin. Dito kasi may kasabihan kasi doon sa amin. Sabi niya, when you touch it, it's yours.
So, yun nga.
Kaya ayaw nila, kumbaga,
Diba?
ayaw mo sila. Let
Okay.
it go.
O kaya nga, let it go. And then, we also talk about how our words make an impact in our lives. Katulad ng sinabi namin,
Self-talk.
if you change your words, you can change your life. Kasi-
Positive self-talk.
Positive self-talk, like giving affirmation, affirmation, good affirmation to yourself na like, instead of saying, I cannot do this, like, why not try saying, I will learn to do this and
I will try.
I will try to do this, diba?
Mm-mm.
Kasi once you change the way you talk to yourself, it really gives a huge impact on yourself, like the way you will handle things then in your life. At saka sabi nga din, 'di ba, sabi at nasa Bible 'yon na words are powerful. Kaya nga 'di ba lagi nilang sinasabi na lagi mong iingatan yung mga salitang bibitawan mo kasi most of those words are tend to become true. So 'di ba kung halimbawa sasabihin mo ay madapa ka sana, di mamaya nadapa na, 'di ba?
Para siyang two-edged sword.
Oo, words are two-edged sword.
Mhm.
So, kumbaga, katulad nga nung sinabi namin na positive self-talk. So, if you want to prosper your life, so say good things about yourself. Like, di ba, sabihin mo sa sarili mo na 2 to 3 years from now, I will be successful with what I am doing right now. Or di kaya naman I will be successful sa career ko or anything, all endeavors that you are having, 'di ba? It should be all positive. Talk. And then we also talk about seeking approval from others.
Yeah.
Kasi 'di ba ang nangyayari is we tend to make decision based on the approval from other people. Like before tayo gagawa ng isang bagay, lagi nating kinukonsider yung ibang tao kasi kumbaga natatakot tayo na ma-reject tayo, natatakot tayo na i-judge tayo. So we always seek people's opinions, ganon. Although okay naman siya, but sometimes we need to learn na hindi din lahat ng bagay is kailangan mong i-consult sa ibang tao. You also have to make your own decisions, 'di ba? But sometimes it's case to case basis. Syempre, if you have partner or if you have 'di ba, may asawa ka, then syempre all this mutual decisions nyo 'yon. But then with or without your spouse approval, at least nasabi mo sa kanya. 'Di ba na ito ang gusto kong mangyari, ito gusto ko ganyan, 'di ba? Although
iba yung yung parang nagpapaalam sa nagpapaalam.
Oo.
So iba yung nanghihingi ka ng approval sa nag-i-inform ka lang.
So we also talk about how to balance our family, work, and yourself, 'di ba? Kasi we mentioned then before that alam mo yun yung sa sobrang busy na natin sa buhay, like we are so busy making a living that we forget to make a life, 'di ba? So, we all know naman na we really have to work hard. Kasi syempre, if we will not work hard, wala tayong kikitain, wala tayong pambayad ng bills and all. But syempre, we need to balance that kasi baka naman dumating din yung point na yung sa sobra nating kakaisip ng trabaho, we forget the people we are working for, why we are working for.
Wala na yung purpose.
Nawala na yung purpose ng pagtatrabaho mo kasi hindi mo na siya na-balance. Kumbaga, hindi mo na nabigyan ng panahon. Like, kunwari, yung pamilya mo, yung anak mo, kasi nga busy ka sa trabaho. So, we don't just live to pay our bills. Yun po yun lagi nating tatandaan. Kasi, kumbaga, dumadating naman din talaga yung time na may kaginhawahan din. Pero, hanapan lang natin ng paraan na maging, kumbaga, yung takbo ng buhay natin is maging worth it pa rin kahit na mahirap ang buhay. Diba? And then, we also talk about yesterday yung the secret of better relationship by active listening. Diba? So, kasi yung listening, we often forget about yung purpose ba? I mean, kung ano yung naibibigay ng active listening sa atin. 'Di ba? Kumbaga, pagka hindi kasi din tayo nakinig sa ibang tao, like, will not be able to get what they are trying to tell us, 'di ba? Kumbaga, hindi natin napapahalagahan yung isang tao kung hindi rin tayo kung hindi natin papakinggan yung side nila.
Tama. And it shows, respect. It shows trust, willingness to, collaborate. And it promotes, syempre, positive atmosphere, mutual respect, and harmonious relationship.
So with that being said, kumbaga parang maganda nga yung topic na pagsama-sama natin yung about listening, about words, 'di ba? So parang it's up to us how are we going to kumbaga i-incorporate sa daily life natin 'yon. Kasi 'di ba katulad nga nung na-mention namin palagi na kumbaga sobrang busy na ng buhay, yung mga basic things in life we often forget it na. So take things one at a time, 'di ba? Kumbaga makakarating din tayo doon.
Amen.
Oo. So I think that would be all for now. Medyo medyo drain na rin ako. At galing pa sa 12 hours duty at duty ulit bukas. But we're happy that we're still here with you. Konting kembot na lang.
Ilang araw pa, ilang gabi.
Ilang gabi pa. And we always
live videos pa ang pagsasamahan natin.
We always thank you guys for staying with us. Journeying with us. And kasi kumbaga it's we are here because of you.
Yun.
'Di ba? We are we are showing up because of the people who might need, 'di ba? Who might need the business opportunity that we are offering. So what we are doing right now, sharing insights, sharing different topics to you guys. It's just like hitting two birds with one stone, diba? So if you have inquiries, if you get curious of what this online business we are talking about, because I know we are not mentioning anything about this, and that's what makes it really yung kumbaga nakaka-build ng curiosity. Oo. So if you want to learn more, You can send us a direct message, or you can click the clickable link there. That is our website, www.juneandshinearanas.com. It will lead you to our business. It will give you more information.
Yeah.
So, once again, this is Shine and June from North Carolina. We're signing off for tonight. Good night.
Have a blessed weekend.
God bless po, and God bless, may God bless all the decisions in your life. Good night.
Amen.